This is how I keep my oily skin under control. So here's the serum. Next is the scrub, my daily toner and daily cleanser by Ashe. So let's get started. So I will wet my skin to start, and then I will apply the daily cleanser, which has little bit micro beads in them to help you scrub your face. And then I'll do that for about 20 seconds and then wash my face off. Then I'll dry my face. See, my face is looking good already. And now I'll use this scrub. I use this once a week because it's very intense. It has a fixed sensation. You feel a little tingling on your face, not very severe, just a little bit, and it scrubs real deep. And I love these products by Ashe because they have really helped my skin restore from sun damage. It was so horrible. My skin was so dark. You can tell the difference between my neck and my face. So now I'm drying that off, and now I'm ready for the next step to apply my mask. I know I'm looking better. So this mask has a pudding texture, oily texture. Don't be deceived as though it won't dry up. It dries up real quick, but you're supposed to keep it for 15 minutes. But you know me, I was up for 30 minutes doing other stuff. Now I'm done and I'm looking fresh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.